Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be telling you how to enable the adaptive refresh rate in the Poco X3 device. As you can see here friends, so there is an inbuilt refresh rate counter in the Poco X3 smartphone, and most of the users they did ask me how to use this kind of inbuilt refresh rate meter, so which will be showing you the real time FPS status. And the good thing is that the Poco X3 has the adaptive refresh rate, so where the refresh rate can go from 0 to the 120 fps depending on the type of application you are using. So to get to know that what is the exact fps meter, you need to enable that option. So don't rely on any other third-party applications because there is inbuilt fps meter. So first you need to go to the additional settings, and go to the additional settings you can find the developer options. In case if you don't find any developer options, no need to worry, you need to go to the about phone and click on this MIUI version. So 7 or I think 7 to 9 times. So if you click, then only the developer options will be enabled. So then once the developers options are enabled, as you can see, then scroll down. So keep on scrolling. So if you scroll, sorry, I forgot to mention, and in case few of the users, if you are confusing what type of launcher I'm using, this is iOS 14 launcher. So try to check that video in case if you are interested. And if you scroll down under this monitoring, you'll get this option of power monitor, as you can see. So just open that power monitor and tap on this start option. That's it friend. This is a simple trick in the Poco X3 users, which is very useful. So the meaning of adaptive refresh rate is that if the screen is not utilizing any kind of touch information or any other application demanding, so you can see the FPS count will go to the 1 FPS. So this is a way it will manage the FPS count depending on the applications at all, as you can see. So right now the FPS went to the 61 FPS and it decreased it to the 1 FPS. So if I touch again, the FPS count will increase gradually. As you can see, if I open and close the settings application, it increased. And if you use the live wallpaper, the FPS also will increase. So right now there is no live wallpaper going on, so that's why there is only 1 FPS at the moment, as you can clearly see here friends. And the advantage is that when you're playing the games, you can actually see the real-time FPS count meter, and this is a 120 FPS game supporting, so in the Poco X3 device, and which works pretty good in the Poco X3 device. You can see the real-time FPS count meter as well, and this will be the very good example while demonstrating any kind of games in my channel. So this will be very good use case as well, so which is working pretty fine. So instead of relying on the top game turbo FPS meter, I would use this FPS real time meter. So every time I can keep on track of the FPS count, how much it is. So I'll try to use this kind of FPS meter only most of the time in my videos when I'm explaining about any games. So even I did try the PUBG Mobile 90 FPS support test using this default FPS meter, but it did not show up in the default FPS meter. So that's it friend. This is a quick review on how to enable this adaptive refresh rate in the Poco X3 device. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.